किसी एक बंदे ने पास्टर से पूछा, there was a man, he asked the pastor, जब वो हैकल का पर्दा फटा, when the veil tore in the temple, how big was the hole? How big was the tear? And the preacher said, it was big enough for every sinner to walk through. It does not matter how deep of a sin you are in. It doesn't matter how deep of a sin I have been in. It does not matter how far I have gone from God. If you're watching me right now and you're hearing this word, please know that there is no sin that our Jesus cannot forgive. There is no sin that our Jesus cannot cleanse us of. There is no debt that our God Savior cannot pay for through His precious blood. And God is always ready to forgive. That's the beautiful thing. There's not an annual wait time. There's not a God has to get ready. The moment you say, Father, I'm ready to come home. The moment you say, God, I'm ready to ask for forgiveness. जिस घड़ी आप कहेंगे कि बाप मैं अपने गुनाहों का इकरार करने के लिए तैयार हूं, बाप पहले ही बाहें फैलाए हुए खड़ा है और इंतजार कर रहा है कि आप लौट आएं. He can accept you right now. Right now, God can accept you if you choose.